Congratulations for coming across this video, for clicking on this video. I say congratulations. So this particular video, this particular recipe that I'm about to share with you on this video, it is going to help you stop shedding that your hair that have been stuck on same hair length. It is going to help you grow your hair out. And also, if your hair is sparse, your hair is scanty, this is going to help you thicken up your hair. All you just need to is just to get the ingredients complete and then make this particular recipe in the comfort of your home, your kitchen. Very simple recipe, very potent, very powerful, works in 2 weeks. I said works in 2 weeks. So just grab these few ingredients and let's get started. Grab a jar, make sure your jar is clean. And our first ingredient is ashwagandha. Don't tell me you don't know where to find ashwagandha. I'm using the roots, ashwagandha root. You can use the powder, you can use the leaves. Make sure it is ashwagandha. And you can purchase this on Amazon if you are abroad. And if you're in Nigeria, just check on Instagram for those that sell herbal ingredients, and they will definitely sell this to you. And our second ingredient is green tea. These are green tea leaves, and then I'm using that in 1 tablespoon. For the ashwagandha, you can use 4 to 5 sticks for the proportion we are making. And then the third ingredient is black tea. And just so you know, you can use Lipton tea bags, cut them open, and then you can get black tea if you're finding it difficult to get black tea. So this is what black tea looks like, and I'm using that in 1 tablespoon. So pour everything in your jar and then boil up some water to 100 degrees Celsius, and then measure out 500 ml worth, pour it in your jar, and then you cover up. Allow it to steep on your tabletop. In your kitchen, you can place it on your kitchen cabinet. You can just place it anywhere. You're not to refrigerate this yet. Just leave it there for 8 to 12 hours. I love to do 12 hours, but if you can do 8 to 12 hours depending on your time. If you don't have time on your hands, you can do 8 hours. But if you have all the time, please do 12 hours. Note that if you allow this exceed 12 hours, you're fermenting this and you may not like the result in your hair. So for those of you complaining of protein overload, for those of you complaining of herbal ingredients making your hair stiff and strong, you are not advised to steep this for 12 hours or anything more than 12 hours. So you don't need that. Just 12 hours is perfect. Now proceed to strain this. You can use your cheesecloth, you can use your strainer, whatever you have. Proceed to sieve this and then get your filtrate. Discard the residue. This particular herbal tea can grow hair on bald spots as early as 2 weeks. That is, if everything is perfect with you within. So if your organs, everything is okay with you, this particular herbal hairspray can grow your hair in 2 weeks. I mean the bald area. And if you're shedding, you're experiencing postpartum hair loss, and then you're shedding maybe due to wrong products you may have used, or you're shedding due to stress, this can stop it as early as first use. So transfer this into your spray bottle, refrigerate it for only 5 days. You can use it 2 to 3 times as a leave-in. Ensure you follow up with your leave-in conditioner and your sealant. And if you're using this on your wash day as a rinse out, please make sure to deep condition before using this. Apply this, and then the next thing you rinse it out. So remember to drop your tea tree essential oil or peppermint essential oil in 5 drops after straining and transferring into your spray bottle. I recommended these 2 essential oils for you because they are great for hair, and you can further do your research if you doubt. So these 2 essential oils are great for hair, and that is why I'm recommending them. Whenever you do your DIYs, you can just drop it 5 drops to 500 ml worth of products that you must have made, or 500 ml worth of batch that you must have made. This product helps your hair grow faster, thickens your hair, grows hair on bald spots. You would definitely love this. Ayurveda is a game changer. Ever since I started using Ayurveda in my hair has grown so much. My hair has become an envy of many. So try to use this recipe today. Even if you're confused, start with this one. You will definitely love it. Just make as much as you can use within 5 days, and then discard the remaining. Do not store this for more than 5 days, else it is going to go rancid, and then if you keep on using it, it's not going to help your hair grow, because some microorganisms must have acted on it, making it less potent. So you want to use it fresh. So from day 1 to day 5 is just perfect for you. So go on ahead to hydrate this. Use this to hydrate your hair from your roots to your tips. You will definitely love this particular one. If you're bald, apply this on your bald area. You can also make it as a growth oil and also apply on the bald area. Remember to massage the area at least once a day. 5 seconds is perfect. So make sure to follow up with massaging. That is if you want this to grow your hair on bald spots. Apply it daily and then massage. I can't wait to hear your feedbacks. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please ensure to share this video to anyone who is balding, whose hair is sparse, whose hair is stunted. Share this video with them, and I will see you on my next one shortly. Bye.